The more we have a good life, right? Lots of food, lots of fun stuff, lots of medicines to protect us from, illness and pain. We've clearly reached some kind of tipping point. We're now essentially more miserable than ever. And your solution to this modern problem, and it's a modern problem that we all have, is to, one of the most findings in neuroscience in the last 100 years is that pleasure and pain are co-located, by which I mean that the same parts of the brain that process pleasure also process pain, and they work like opposite sides of the balance. So when we do something that's pleasurable or reinforcing or rewarding, that balance tips to the side of pleasure. When we experience something painful, like cutting our finger, it tips to the side of pain. But one of the overarching rules governing this balance is that it wants to remain level. It doesn't want to be tipped for very long, either to pleasure or pain. And the brain will work very hard to restore a level balance, or what neuroscientists call homeostasis. It's really a biological imperative, not just in our own physiologic symptoms, but in the universe, to go to homeostasis. And that any deviation from neutrality is actually a form of stress. In fact, biologists define stress as a deviation in either direction. And that's really the key. The problem with modern life, and one of the main problems with modern life, is that we have too many pleasurable substances and behaviors, and that is actually stressing us out. It's literally stressful. So